Welcome to Money Saving Mama. Here using food from the food bank. Yes, we have a Dolly Parton cake mix today. Duncanhines version chocolate cake mix. Dolly took 4 eggs, water, 6 tablespoons of butter. Yes, she was heavy on the butter, almost a whole stick. This was no skinny girl. It actually came out pretty clumpy. So I did have to mix it again. I added some chocolate chips, but I was a little worried this cake mix was not going to come out good, being that she was really lumpy. Um, if anyone else has used this, please let me know in the comment section. And here we go. We put it all in the pan, ready to go ahead and put it in the oven. And I wonder if they do serve this at Dollywood or other cakes at Dollywood. That would be really interesting. If you know, let me know in the comment section if you've been to Dollywood. So I think this took about 45 minutes. It took extra long to bake this cake. And then it came out and it was gorgeous. Look how luscious she was. She was thick. She was moist. I didn't have any powdered sugar in the house to make any icing. So I had to kind of look through my pantry. Here's just a slice that I sliced up, and you can just see how thick she was. Look at how thick, I mean, you could just see how moist it was. That butter really did it, guys. I mean, I've never used butter in a cake mix before. Look at it steaming. That's how hot it was in this picture. But the butter just made it really rich, very chocolatey. It's like no other cake I've ever had. So I found some ice cream. I decided just to top it with some ice cream. Um, Actually, I topped it with a little too much ice cream. A little ice cream fell off. But let me know if you've ever had this cake or done it at home. Go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you in the next Money Saving Mama video.